everybody, it's Jessica Alexandrakis with Life Under Quilts, and today I am at the Uniondale Library taking down my quilt show. See, I've got beautiful quilts all over the place. Oh my gosh, so many of these. Okay, all of my EPP quilts are here. And if you're interested in learning English paper piecing and hexagons, all right, there's my hexagon quilt. Also, these two 60-degree diamond quilts are in my book, Quilting on the Go. So we can go ahead and check that out. And if I zoom over here, the quilts, 4 of the quilts on this wall are for sale. I have this wonderful blue and brown baby quilt. This is a little bit bigger, like a nap quilt. The one in the middle, not for sale. And the other 2 amazing scrap quilts. This one again is kid size. This is more napping size. It's longer, great for the couch, tons of stuff to look at. They are all available. If you're interested, please get in touch. lifeunderquilts@gmail. All right. This is one of my string quilts, and we're going to be having a string quilt workshop a few times this summer. So check the website, lifeunderquilts.com. Can you see which shape I started with? Can you find the first foundation strip that was put down? You'll know if you take the class. All right. Oh, my little helper. Another one. This is another crumb quilt that is for sale. It's like a play size, great for toddlers. And here's the rest of the show. On this wall, it's only a little doll quilt that's for sale if anybody's interested. But if you would like to learn how to do free piece letters, I would love to teach you in person, on Zoom, at your house or mine, whatever you like. That's one of my favorite things to do, and I'd love to show you how to do it. So thank you so much for coming on the ending tour before I take down my quilt show. Get in touch, please. I would love to do some private lessons or small group classes. lifeunderquilts.com. Bye, guys.